Hello student, this is Purushottam Vishwakarma, and in our today's video, in our today's class, we shall discuss about transformation. We shall begin from simple sentences, short and simple sentences, and in transformation, the basic thing that we are going to study today, how to change sentences from affirmative to negative, from negative to affirmative, from interrogative yes or no type to interrogative WS type. We are going to discuss such sentences. So let's begin. Before that, I would like to remind you, we are going to discuss the sentences related to indefinite or simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. Since we have completed only these tenses, so let's continue. The very first tense I am going to take is present indefinite tense, where I am going to write a sentence and then I'll tell you how to change the same sentence into other forms. That means if I am writing interrogative yes or no type, how you are going to change, how are you are going to write the other three, that is remaining three sentences. So I am going to write, does he play hockey? The question is, does he play hockey? After recognizing, you must remember this is related to present indefinite tense, and then you must remember, does he play hockey is present indefinite tense yes or no type. So yes or no type is given, remaining affirmative, then negative, then WH type. These are remaining. So how are you going to find out? You must know the rule. If you know the rule, you can easily change all these into other kinds. Affirmative, does he play hockey? So what is going to be? He plays hockey. He plays hockey. Full stop. For better understanding, you should watch all those videos provided by me. I am going to tell you only answers here, not the explanation. So, as I told you, does he play hockey? Affirmative, he plays hockey. Negative, he does not play hockey. For negative, he does not play hockey. When does he? Does he play hockey? When does he play hockey? So if any of these sentences, anyone, if he does not play hockey given, and you are asked to write to change into affirmative or to interrogative yes or no type or to interrogative ws type, then you can easily change it. But it is only possible if you know the rules for all these. So I am going to give you one more example related to this. Now I am going to write a simple sentence that is affirmative. I teach English. So there is a sentence, I teach English. It is in present indefinite tense, and you are going to change the remaining sentences into affirmative, into negative, WS type, and interrogative, yes or no type. So negative, I do not teach English. Negative, where do I teach English? Where do I teach English? Online right now. Do I teach English? So in this way you can prepare present indefinite tense very well. Now I shall tell you about the other two tenses. That is, first, simple past tense. Past tense. And then we shall talk about simple future tense. For simple past tense, I am writing a sentence of negative. That is, they did not join the class. They did not join the class. And you are going to change into other kinds, affirmative, WS type, yes or no type. First, affirmative, they joined the class. WS type, why did they join the class? Did they join the class? They did not join the class. They joined the class. Why did they join the class? Did they join the class? One more example. Why did she eat all the apples? Why did she eat all the apples? Did she eat all the apples? Yes or no? Did she eat all the apples? Then she ate all the apples. She did not eat all the apples. So in this way you have to change such sentences into other kinds. Now the remaining, that is future, simple future tense. Simple future tense. So I am taking a simple sentence, affirmative. Sachin will play cricket. Sachin will play cricket. And if I ask you to change this sentence into interrogative, yes or no type first, then will Sachin play cricket? Question. Then WH. Where will Sachin? When will Sachin? Where will Sachin play cricket? Sachin will not play cricket. Sachin will not play cricket. Now the last one. The last sentence. We shall not invite. We shall not invite many at the party. We shall not invite many at the party. So, interrogative, yes or no type. Shall we invite many at the party? Why shall we invite many at the party? We shall invite many at the party. I hope you understood the concept of changing from affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative, WS to affirmative, or vice versa. So we shall talk about present continuous tense and past continuous tense in next videos. Thank you very much.